show is amazing, guys. I know it's coming up to Valentine, and I like to share my ideas with tips, and you know what I mean, that's, you guys can do something at home. Very special time of the year for the lovers, for everyone, and you know what I mean, I just have some ideas, and I said to myself, why don't share it, because I have leftover stuff in the kitchen. And I said, decide to do a little quick video to share some ideas with the fans. So hopefully, guys, will definitely like the recipe, and also please subscribe and click on the bell, and please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend, and share in the video. I have some ginger cake and custard strawberry left over, and I decided to share something where you guys can make yourself a nice, lovely, simple red up dessert, and you know what I mean, something really fantastic for the lovers. So hopefully, guys, will love this one. So please subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave a comment in the description box, please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We always have recipe for you guys, and you know Chef Ricardo always coming to the best of the best, so why not stay tuned and log on. And you know what I mean, Valentine is coming up, make something for your lovers at home. Thank you so much for watching, and tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Stay tuned as we make the best video in the world from Chef Ricardo for fun. Nice and lovely. So basically, I have some ginger cake left over, custard, and some strawberry. I just warm up my custard. You can make homemade custard with egg yolk and cream, and also with some nice, lovely. You can use the yellow egg yolk, cream, and also corn flour, and make yourself nice, lovely custard, fresh custard, homemade custard. All right, so this is what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna make yourself a nice, lovely pudding. You know what I mean? If you have leftover stuff for Valentine, this is what you can do. All right. Don't shy. It's very easy to make. All right. As I say, you know what I mean, all the lovers and this Valentine, tips and idea where you guys can make at home. All right, so if I have some custard which I have left over, this is not my homemade custard, you know what I mean, this is a cheaty one I have. So if you put the custard on, just like that, and just leave it for it to just run over. As you can see exactly what's going on. After you do that, then normally I'm always doing this, you know, I mean, get my strawberry and slice down my strawberry like this and put it on top of it. Anything you see me normally do a thing like this. You know what I mean? That's Chef Ricardo recipes, you know what I mean? This is just some tips and ideas for the fans and for Valentine's Day. Also, you can put some cream or something, you can just serve it, so because the time is very cold, so it's a very nice, lovely, hot pudding. Enjoy the recipe. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We've got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. So please stay tuned, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.